This video is going to talk about the Brickfield auto linking tool. What this tool does is it looks for URLs or web addresses and converts them automatically to ADA more compliant links. So the most common way you're going to see this that'll cause a problem is I've put my email address here, which is my username at appstate.edu. It sees the appstate.edu as a link and converts that to Appalachian State, which is a more readable format, so for screen readers or someone reading through. Additionally, here I've linked a article from the New York Times, and it automatically converted that to the title of the article instead of me having to enter that in. So if this is causing you a problem, specifically for your email address, there is two solutions to fix this. The first one is very easy. We go into the course under More, we go to Filters, we scroll down to the bottom, and Brickfield Convert URLs into Links is the piece that's doing this for us. So if we turn this to off and hit Save Changes, we go back to the course, you'll now see my email address looks the way it should, but that article that I related to the New York Times now is the full URL, which is not very convenient for someone with a screen reader, or really it's not much use other than highlighting it and copying it to fix it that way. We can fix these with the filter off by going into edit mode, going into the settings for this. I can highlight this text and make it a link. I can also come in here and highlight my email address and make it a link, and if I put mail to : and my email address and create link, now with the filter off, that is still a link that will go to my email automatically if my browser is set up properly. If I highlight this one, I can change that, and it even gives us a thing to say, hey, that's not a really good descriptive link, and notice this is what it had put in before. I can then create that link, and we're back to where we were with it working. But now remember, this filter is for the entire course, so turning it off to fix a block at the beginning of your course with your email address will break that functionality throughout the course. So if we go back to our original URLs, my email address and the New York Times article, if we go and we turn the filter back on, and now we're back to where we were beginning. It makes that nice link out of our URL so that it's more readable, but it messes up our email address. With the filter on, we go to Settings, highlight over your email address, make that a link, and simply put mail to : and your email address. And when we create that link and save it, it will now show up as a proper link. And if I click on this, it will open my browser email and let me send an email directly that way. So first option, turn the filter off, go and fix all of your links to make them more text readable individually, or leave the filter on, highlight your email address, put mail to : in front of the URL and save that. Either of those will fix.